baka mas marami pa naglipa na ganyan. Siguro masagot din ni Admiral Trinidad, mas maliwanag siguro coming from the Philippine Navy.
Medyo malabo po yung sa audio. Yung ano po, yung details lang ng mga drone, yung mga pinresent ngayon, pwede yung paki-clarify lang po. Yung pong, yung black,
Lahat yung kanina.
opo, yung mga nandyan kanina.
Okay, yung yellow drone is designed to collect, we call that bathymetric data. Depth of water, salinity, conductivity, oxygen content. Yung black could also has the same capability, but it also has an AVS, acoustic vector sensor. Nagpipick up siya ng sound. How sound propagates or travels underwater. Sound propagation is very critical when it comes to undersea warfare. Pero lahat naman na nakukuha information ng mga drone na ito have different uses. Pwedeng commercial, pwedeng academic, pwedeng scientific research, at pwede rin military use. So, hindi natin sinasabi, this is purely for military. Iba't ibang gamit ang information. Kasama doon sa kanyang gamit ang military purposes. Etong black na to, this is the most recent one. Nakuha ito sa Sabtang, Batanes. Turned over, nalaman ko lang to kahapon, turned over last February. We haven't conducted level 2 exploitation yet, only level 1 exploitation.
Surveillance na walang permit.
Yes, because UNCLOS is very clear that there must be permit from the coastal state.
Ng messages sa China ay yung black or both na po?
Yung black. Yung black.
Black.
Yun ang may SIM card na China Telecom.
Sir, we cannot say yet kung talagang Chinese government yung involved dito.
We are not saying that. We are just saying the results of the forensic examination.
It's to China po pinadalhan ng message, but as to the involvement of the Chinese government or kung commercial ba ito, yun po inaalam pa.
We are not saying that. Ang sinasabi natin, based sa kanyang forensic examination, nagbato siya ng signal sa China.
Paano na po yung nagiging course ng investigation? Ano po yung next na kailangang alamin dun sa probe?
Yung from the side of the Philippine Navy and the AFP, we are doing the forensic examination, level 1 and level 2. Para malaman natin ano itong mga gamit na ito, saan galing, ano yung mga laman niya, anong ginagawa niya sa atin.